Hey everybody, this is Tammy on Prayerful Praise on YouTube, doing another quick video for Etched by Faith to show you how to take a PDF and turn it into a PNG so that you can use it for your digital journaling. So first off, find wherever you downloaded your printable once you've purchased it. And then once you have it open, the first way that you can do that is to take a screenshot of it. And on my iPad, it's the on-off switch and the home button at the same time. And you see that it took a screenshot down there in the bottom corner. So now I'm going to leave this up, but I'm going to go out and I'm going to go over into Magic Eraser. Sorry, I was working on it earlier. And then I'm going to crop it down to where it's none of the extra. It's just the page that I want. And then I'm going to click done, and I'm going to go to my background to where it's transparent and move it down to about a 10, tap on the page, back to my transparency. And then, you know, if you're going to do that, you're going to actually go through here and remove all your extra white spaces that you don't want. Like so, just by tapping your wand on it. And once you have it the way you want it, you hit your check mark in the top right corner. Then the top right corner, the box with the arrow, save to your photos. And that's going to make it usable in Procreate or in Goodnotes. That's not where I wanted to go. I was headed to Goodnotes. So then, once you've done that, in Goodnotes, you can open your photos, and there's your picture, and it's transparent, as you can see. And then that's when you can do your whole cropping to get whatever picture you would like to have on your page. Now, another way to change it without having to take a screenshot is you go back to that same picture, and where it says open in Procreate, if you go ahead and open it, and I'm not sure what's going on with my colors here in Procreate, but that's okay. Just tap on your wrench tool, and under share, you can change it to a PDF, and you can choose best. And when it does, then you go to, well, hold on. It's not letting me save it to my images. So, you know what? Let's go back and let's save it as a JPEG. And then it'll let you save the image. So once you've saved the image, and you go over into your photos, it is going to be there. And like I said, I'm not sure what was going on with my colors, but it changed my colors. I wonder if it'll do that. Let's go pick another picture and just see if it was. Let's do the Margin Gardens one. Take it just a minute to sync. All right, let's open it in Procreate. Go to my gallery. Yeah, it was the second time around. And that one did just fine. So again, with your wrench, save it as a JPEG. Save your image. Okay. And then what you can do, again, go into Goodnotes. Or if you want to take the white background out of it, go into Magic Eraser. Find it. And do the same thing that you just did with the other picture. Let's transparent background. Let's see what happens if we do color, if it'll get rid of all the white. There we go. Okay, so that got rid of all your white spaces. Now, check mark at the top. Then you're going to check the box with the arrow and save it. And then you go into Goodnotes. Go back to your photo thing. Tap it. And again, you have a transparent set of flowers. So that is two ways that I know of to take a PDF form and change it into either a PNG or a JPEG so that it can be used in Goodnotes or in Procreate. I hope y'all found that helpful, and enjoy creating.